Bananas are one of the world's most popular fruits, and not just because they're delicious, portable, and affordable. Underneath their yellow peel lies an incredible array of nutrients that offer numerous health benefits for the body and mind. Whether you're eating them as a pre-workout snack or blending them into a smoothie, bananas provide energy, support digestion, enhance heart health, and more. Let's explore the top 15 health benefits of bananas and why this humble fruit deserves a regular spot in your diet. Number 1. A natural energy booster. Bananas are often called nature's energy bar, and for good reason. With around 27 grams of carbohydrates per medium banana, they offer a quick and sustained energy boost that's perfect before workouts, during long workdays, or as an afternoon pick-me-up. The natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, are absorbed at different rates, providing both immediate and lasting fuel. Unlike processed snacks, bananas come with fiber to slow sugar absorption and prevent energy crashes. Number 2. Rich in potassium for heart health. Potassium is a critical mineral for maintaining heart function and blood pressure, and bananas are a rich natural source. A single medium banana contains roughly 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, helping the body regulate heartbeat, maintain proper fluid balance, and counteract the effects of sodium. Regular banana consumption is associated with a reduced risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and cardiovascular disease. Number 3. Supports digestive health. Bananas contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, including pectin and resistant starch. These fibers help regulate bowel movements and support gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract. Whether you're experiencing constipation or irregularity, bananas offer a gentle and natural solution. In fact, they're often recommended as part of the BRAT diet: bananas, rice, applesauce, toast, for people recovering from gastrointestinal upset. Number 4. Mood and brain function enhancement. Bananas may be small, but they play a surprising role in mental health. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and feelings of happiness. They're also rich in vitamin B6, which supports brain function and helps produce neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Adding bananas to your diet could support emotional balance, focus, and even improve sleep quality. Number 5. Help maintain a healthy weight. Despite their natural sugar content, bananas can be helpful for weight management. The fiber they provide promotes satiety and slows digestion, making you feel fuller for longer. Green or slightly underripe bananas contain higher amounts of resistant starch, which may reduce appetite and encourage the body to burn more fat. They make an excellent substitute for calorie-dense snacks and desserts. Number 6. Regulate blood sugar levels. Bananas have a relatively low to moderate glycemic index, especially when they're not overly ripe. This means they cause a slower, more controlled rise in blood sugar levels compared to refined carbohydrates. The fiber in bananas helps buffer the absorption of sugar, making them a better option for people looking to manage blood sugar levels, especially those with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Moderation is key, of course, but bananas can be part of a healthy diabetic-friendly diet. Number 7. Promote kidney health. The potassium content in bananas doesn't just support the heart, it also plays a vital role in kidney function. Research shows that people who eat bananas regularly may have a lower risk of developing chronic kidney disease, particularly those with healthy kidney function to begin with. Studies suggest that 4 to 6 bananas per week may significantly reduce kidney disease risk by helping the kidneys filter blood more efficiently and excrete waste properly. Number 8. Natural antacid properties. Bananas are one of the few fruits that can help neutralize stomach acid. They form a protective coating on the stomach lining and stimulate the production of mucus, which guards against acid-related discomfort. For those who suffer from acid reflux, indigestion, or heartburn, eating a banana can be a gentle, natural way to soothe the digestive system. This makes bananas a smart dietary choice for people with ulcers or sensitive stomachs. Number 9. Packed with essential vitamins. Bananas are a rich source of important vitamins and minerals that support overall health. They're especially high in vitamin B6, which aids in metabolism, immune function, and brain development. They also provide vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and helps the body absorb iron. In addition, bananas contain magnesium and manganese, which play roles in bone health, enzyme function, and energy production. Number 10. Natural aid for muscle cramps. If you've ever been told to eat a banana for muscle cramps, science supports the advice. Bananas contain potassium, magnesium, and calcium, minerals that are essential for proper muscle contraction. These nutrients help prevent muscle fatigue and reduce the likelihood of cramps, especially after exercise. That's why bananas are a favorite among athletes for pre- and post-workout nutrition. Number 11. May help fight anemia. Anemia is often caused by iron deficiency, and while bananas aren't a major source of iron, they do contain small amounts. More importantly, their vitamin C content enhances the body's ability to absorb iron from other foods. This makes bananas a useful addition to iron-rich meals, helping to support healthy red blood cell production and reduce fatigue in individuals with low iron levels. Number 12. Boosts immune function. Bananas help strengthen your immune system through a combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vitamin B6 supports the formation of antibodies and white blood cells, while vitamin C helps repair tissues and defend against pathogens. The antioxidants in bananas help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. Number 13. Great for skin and hair. The nutrients in bananas are not only beneficial internally, they also contribute to healthy skin and hair. Vitamin C supports collagen production, keeping skin firm and youthful, while B vitamins and antioxidants combat inflammation and environmental damage. Bananas are even used in homemade beauty treatments. Mashed banana can be applied to the skin or hair as a natural moisturizer and conditioner. Number 14. A healthier alternative to sugary desserts. Craving something sweet? Bananas offer a naturally sweet flavor that satisfies without the crash that follows refined sugar. Their creamy texture and pleasant taste make them a perfect substitute in baking, smoothies, and snacks. Use them as a base for banana pancakes, natural ice cream, or energy balls. By swapping out processed sweets for bananas, you can cut back on added sugars while still indulging your cravings. Number 15. Supports healthy pregnancy. Bananas are especially beneficial during pregnancy. The vitamin B6 they contain has been shown to ease nausea and morning sickness in the first trimester. They're also a good source of folate and potassium, both of which are vital for fetal development and maternal health. Plus, the gentle fiber in bananas helps relieve common pregnancy-related digestive issues, such as constipation. Bananas may seem simple, but they offer a remarkably wide range of health benefits. From supporting your heart and kidneys to boosting your mood, digestion, and immune system, bananas are one of the most accessible and functional fruits you can eat. They're easy to incorporate into meals and snacks, travel well, and are loved by kids and adults alike. Whether you're looking to improve your health, recover after a workout, or simply add more nutrient-dense foods to your diet, bananas are an excellent choice. With just 1 or 2 a day, you're giving your body the support it needs, deliciously. So go ahead, peel one open, and enjoy nature's most convenient superfood. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.